What's good, family? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make St. Louis style ribs. Yeah, we grilling today. But basically, you just get you some spare ribs and you square them up. You trim the fat off. You know what I mean? That's basically what St. Louis style ribs is. But I'm finna show you how to do it. So right now, we're just trimming the fat off. And what I just trimmed off just then, that's some good meat. I'm gonna put that on the grill too. Okay, now you find the grooves. You find your grooves and you get up in there. So yeah, you just buy the spare ribs at the store and you just square them up and you got St. Louis style ribs. So this is a cheaper version. You know what I mean? You ain't gotta spend no money buying no St. Louis style ribs when you can make these yourself. Ain't nothing but just spare ribs, squared. That's it. Easy. It's easy. It's good meat here. I'm throwing this on the grill too. You know what I mean? It's good meat. But yeah, we just gonna trim this fat off and get it right. Yeah, that's good meat there. I'm gonna put that to the side, put it in the bowl. That's it. Find your grooves and get up in there. Boom, there we go. St. Louis style ribs. Now, what I like to do, got to get this membrane off. So what I like to do is, get me a butter knife and get right there up under the groove, the bone right there. Pull it up, get me a napkin. Get you a dry napkin and you just pull it off. Gotta get that off. In case, whatever that is. Yep, we'll trim. We can't trim all the fat off. We'll trim majority of it off. But yeah. Ribs already been cleaned, soaked in vinegar. There we go. This is it, St. Louis style ribs. You know what I mean? This is it. It's the way to go. Okay, now we finna season up. We got some mustard. We got some mayo. We'll get up in there. Make sure we get all that on every piece of the meat. Every piece. Garlic pepper. That season up real good. Saison. Onion powder. Garlic powder. Saison, more Saison. I just use this for color, really. Everglades seasoning. Saison, more color. Smoked paprika. We're gonna mix it up real good. got my gloves on because I don't like me, you know what I mean? That says on me, have my hands looking orange. I put the gloves on. Yeah, you gotta get up in there, make sure you get that season on every piece of that meat. Drop an onion off in there. Should we get it up in there, mix it up real good. Get them ribs that extra flavor. Yeah, them onions go on the grill too. What I'm finna do, I'm finna bag these up and I'm finna let these marinate overnight. Ziploc bag, extra flavor. Yeah, so here we go. I got my grill ready. I use my chimney there to get my coals lit and get my coals ready. I got me some oak wood in there. But basically, we're finna smoke these indirectly. So what I'm saying is, I'm gonna have the coals on one side and have the meat on the other side. And we gonna let it smoke. We gonna let it ride out. That's how we gonna do this. Okay, now I got my pan there. Got my ribs on there. So the pan is for two things. You know, it makes for an easy cleanup. You know what I mean, with all the grease that's dropping. And then you add water to the pan as well, and they're gonna keep the moisture inside of your grill. Gonna have your meat extra tender, extra juicy. But yeah, that's the way to go. If you're grilling, it's the way to go here. Best ribs you ever make, I'm telling you. Do it the right way. Here we go, after an hour, this is what it's looking like. Meat cooking. What it's looking like. I just flipped it. I will come back in another hour. And it's another hour here. This is what your ribs starting to look like. Now I'm dropping that off the mustard seasoning on it. So get it right. But it's basically, you know, a blend. I got some vinegar and some water. Then I got, you know, some of my seasoning I put up in there. You know, just keep putting that on your meat, you know what I mean? Go keep it extra juicy. Yeah, go keep it extra juicy. This is what you want. This is the color you want. This is the color you're looking for right here. Look at them ribs, man. Here we go. Now they done. They done. But I'm finna add this barbecue sauce on it. You know what I mean? Put that barbecue sauce on, let that barbecue sauce cook on it a little bit. Probably for an extra 30 minutes. But the ribs is done. The ribs is done. But yeah, this is it. You know what I mean? St. Louis style ribs. This is the way to go though. Slow cooked on the grill. Indirect heat. Best ribs I done made thus far. This is it. This is the finished product right here. This is the finished product. Look at them ribs. Juicy. St. Louis style ribs. But yes, thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm out. Be blessed.